fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an awesome experience. Showcasing the best of Jamaica's automotive culture.
876 Streets, repping for Jamaican sickest rides.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Yes, give it the bolts. Jamaican flag on the lid, Jamaican flag on the car, the Jamaican sponsors as well. We know the whole of the Caribbean's watching. Fraser McConnell, this time, a Nissan last year, you got your first podium. Now you've got your first win in Supercar against the reigning World Rallycross champion. Big up!
Yeah, we're at Dover, just taking it in. It's nice to be back here. I haven't raced there in about 2 years, but you know, I can't forget all the good memories from this place and the awesome fans, and this is roots. Well, I raced with OMSE, Oldsberg Motorsport Evolution, out of Sweden. Been racing with them for 3 years now, and they are the best team in the world when it comes to rallycross, professional. I mean, they do a lot of pretty much everything in-house. Very good to be back, you know, living the dream and doing the thing for Jamaica and trying to do my best while racing at the same time. And you know, it's been going really good so far. Racing against the best in the world up there. Won the first round and got everybody, you know, respect and showing the world that we can do it, and just learning as much as I can as I go as well. So we're using that to prepare for Nitro in the States later on in September to December. And if you don't know what Nitro is, it's basically going to be X Games reinvented, but on a bigger scale as well. So Charles Pastrana is putting on the event, and it's going to be just a, you know, X Games on steroids basically, and we're going to be racing that with OMSE as well, the Swedish team.
We knew what Travis had on his...
Mr. Hollywood messaged me and said, having some issues with this new Kia, and I need some help. Do you have anybody? I know. I said, I think I might know some people. And I actually put them in touch with Doug a couple of years back to help him work on the Kia. And they've been working at it for the last 2 years, I think. Had some setbacks every now and then, you know, a new car that they're not familiar with. So they've kind of revamped everything. They sent it to Sweden. They now know the car inside out, and there's no better people in the world to work on it than the Ericssons. And Andreas is head team boss up there, so he makes all the shots. He's the promoter for Rally X Nordic, the championship I'm in now. So he's the godfather of rallycross, and he's taking me under his wing and growing me, so Doug is in some good hands. There's Arta as well, who is Motec tuner out of Finland, and he's my engineer, my race engineer for rallycross as well. So Andreas is my spotter, Arta is my engineer, and now they're down here working with Doug, and Sammy is one of the welders out of Finland. After Nitro, maybe in between, who knows, the car could make an appearance for maybe this is just me thinking out loud, maybe a Gymkhana New Kingston. Possible. My mind gets crazy with that stuff, so it could try work on something.
1876 of my region, yeah. We proud and strong. Putting up resistance, my people them resilient, yeah. Though we born poor in the ghetto, we no stay dirty. We travel and make money. Bob and Bowl put it on the track, make it hot. Nobody still can replicate that toast. You coffee, you killing it, chronic. agent. Big up the assassin, big up to the voties, big up to the bogus, big up to the dancers, big up to the sizzlers. Most of all, free up the weed.